Chicken's the bottom of the food chain. No. What the fuck is that? What the fuck kind of shit chicken is that? Come on, let's go, let's fucking chicken! Waddle like a fucking chicken! Do the sound! No, that's shit! Move your neck! Be a chicken!
I'm a fucking chicken!
I want you to be a chicken. I want you to feel it. I want you to transform into a chicken. I don't want any vestige of humanity left in you. I just want to see beard. So come on. Let's see it. What are you doing? That's not how a chicken walks. Come on. Come on, peck, lay a fucking head.
Pecking. I'm
Get up on that sofa and fly off.
I'm a car!
Be a chicken.
I can't actually fucking fly,
Be
Tommy!
a fucking chicken. Come here. Come on. Look, there's all grain there. Look, come and pick the grain. Come here. There's a wing. I want you to eat the wing, you fucking chicken. Come here. There's a fucking wing here. There's a wing. Pack the grain. Pack it. Come on. The fucking grain.
I'm packing the fucking grain! I'm packing the fucking grain!
Come and eat this fucking wing. Come and eat the wing. Come and eat the wing, you fucking chicken. Enough. Hey, fuck off! Don't you interfere, otherwise it goes back up to 8 million.
Can we just film this so we can wrap this up?
He's got to attain the frequency first. I need him to become a chicken, you fucking... Come on, be a fucking chicken! Hurry up!
Who's the chicken now?